The road was at this level. It was level. Now it has sunk.
ये हम हैं, ये हमारी कार है और ऑफ-रोडिंग चल रही है. Hi, welcome to my channel, and today we are in a Tata Xenon 4x4, and as always my buddy Arjun is driving, and
Hi.
with us we have Zubin and Samit and our very lovely and young Prashant uncle. And Prashant uncle is taking us on an off-road trail, and later we're going to trek to this hill called Kodachadri, and it's going to be an amazing one. So let me show you around. The off-road trail is started right now.
ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಇಂಥದ್ದು 100 ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೀಗೆ
ಗಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥದ್ದೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ರಫ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Even more treacherous off-road will start now, and our Xenon XT is 4x4 with better tires. Let me show you. And it's going to be an amazing drive up top. We've engaged 4x4 in this car, and let's see.
Vignesh, hold on. It'll hit your head.
Roads are much worse, and the trail is much worse than we thought. And our rally driver is doing his best
Yeah,
to
yeah.
try.
It goes.
Just look at this. Side.
Wow, it can't get any better. Roads are a bit narrower than we thought. Trail is very bad. I don't think we'll be able to make, because our long chassis of the vehicle, but I think you have to come one wheel this side, but take care.
Yeah, we'll wait here. That part is.
Engage 4x4 hai ya. Hi Arjun, how was the trail so far? And we have just completed 25%, and how do you feel about it?
Oh, it's been crazy. Something very different from what I've been doing rallying. This is proper off-roading, and it's crazy. The terrain is just treacherous, and I think the vehicle what we got, the Xenon 4x4, works is suiting well for this terrain. Fantastic so far. We still have at least 75% more to go. We are enjoying. I would like to thank Prashant uncle and Zubin for this fantastic suggestion, and we are thoroughly enjoying. Thank you.
ಅದ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
This is, oh, look at the terrain, guys. Wow.
Yes.
Again, let me say, this is in Karnataka, southern part of Karnataka and in India, and this off-road trail goes to Kodachadri, a complete off-roading experience. I must say the Tata Xenon XT is performing extremely well so far in this terrain, and we are on a 4x4 Ford low configuration, and let's check the driver's opinion so far.
Oh, it's been crazy. Look at the terrain, it's just unbelievable, undrivable in fact. It's just because of this vehicle we're able to maneuver around the track. Enjoying so far, another 4 kilometers to go.
Thank you. We have made halfway through and have reached the viewpoint, and the view here is breathtaking. Here is Prashant Uncle and he's going to tell
Hi.
his opinion. How do you feel so far?
It's just wonderful and crazy. It's so chilly out here.
Thank you for bringing us here. We loved it so far.
All me.
Yeah, it's all on you, yes. And let me show you the view around this beautiful place. There are a lot of tourists, but not much crowd. The Tata Xenon XT 4-wheel drive has performed fantastically well, and I can't talk much enough about this vehicle. It is the fantastic vehicle for crowd. Tata Xenon XT has performed extremely well, and I must say I just fell in love with this vehicle, and it's taken all kinds of terrain in the 4x4. Let's see how it goes, but I must say, guys, this vehicle stood the test of the time and the bad roads, or no roads, I must say.
Arjun, honk. He left kana. Left. Malla kallu malla.
We have reached the top. Actually, there is no road. It's more of off-road and a very treacherous off-road track. So we've reached this place called IB. We are parking our car because beyond this point the cars don't go, and we still have 1.5 kilometers or 2 kilometer trek to continue. Stay tuned. We have started trekking, and very tiring and very steep trek ahead. I'll show you on the camera. Trek there. Look at the view. I'm told the view up there is even more breathtaking. Prashant Uncle is superbly excited for this trip. Look at this trek. It's pretty narrow and steep, but I managed to find a little trench down here to walk in between that, and I feel we still have another 25-30 minutes of trek more to go. Fitness, guys. Fitness is most important to come here. Now I feel I need to hit the gym very soon and get back to my fitness regime. But for the view, it's worth it. It's really worth it. We have made it to the top of Kotachadri Hill, and we are at Shankaracharya Peeta, which is also called Jnana Peeta, and it took us about 45 minutes to trek to this place, but it's really beautiful. So Prashant Uncle, thank you very much for bringing us to this place. It was what an opportunity to come here, and you feel very satisfied by coming here and being and looking at the mountains around. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'll bring you again and again.
Thank you. Looking forward to.
Yeah.
Yes.